Hey guys, welcome back to the food forest. It's official, I have a runaway garden. You see this? This is the 8th wheelbarrow full of weeds and cutbacks and prunings, whatever, that I removed these past 2 days from the garden. We've had perfect weather, we've had rain, and we've had warm days, and everything is completely exploding and I cannot keep up. So I want to show you my runaway garden. It's never been more powerful or beautiful, I think, but there's not a lot of space for human beings in here, so here we go. I love this. I think this balance between control and completely allowing the garden to have its own power is an interesting one. Of course you need to harvest, and of course you need to be able to move around the garden, but there's also something completely lovely about allowing it to do whatever it wants to do. And this, of course, needs to be balanced with the fact that I would like to have some berries, and I do need some of my crops to not be covered completely in morning glory and sticky willies. But right now I think it's looking more beautiful than ever. And you can maybe see the spiral in the middle of the garden, but that's almost gone under also, so I enjoy this so much. But I have been clearing some pathways these past couple of days because I could not move around, and with the rain also, it's more annoying if everything is drenched and you have to push your way through everything. This corner I haven't been able to access for some time, but look how beautiful. And this is a chi berry, a Chinese mulberry, and I'm hoping for berries this year. The fennel is 2 meters high, tall, high, I don't know. And I think it's looking lovely. Just buzzing with bees and hoverflies. This is pretty lovely. Oh my God, this is the first time I want to show you these lilies I got. These are called fusion lilies, and they are almost like an animal to look at, I think. Look how amazing is this in the middle of this growing power. They look very happy this year. And the roses also, I think, that's one thing that often amazes people when they visit the garden, because there's so many beliefs that you can only grow roses in very specific ways, and they don't like it if they are to share the space with other plant beings. But I mean, my garden will certainly prove that to be not true. I don't prune them much, I don't fertilize them, I just leave them with all the plant friends they have in the garden. And I think they look happy, all of them. As you can see, we can hardly move around. Lots of daylilies right now. I do bring some to a restaurant, some every third, fourth day, and she's using them for her lunch. I think that's delicious, quite lovely. This bit is actually, you can see, maybe you can see the pathway, but it's pretty overgrown. Powerful. It has a will of its own, and I kind of love that. I need to be quick with these, otherwise the birds will discover them. Lovely. Now this bit is more open, and I want to show you that too. I mean, the pathways have disappeared here also, but that's okay. I think you can still make your way around, and just seeing the flowering and all the insects make me happy for days. Look at this. Beautiful. I think my microphone got stuck. Sorry about that backing up. This is an insect favorite. Sorry to disturb you guys. Now we are in the forest of Teasels. They are they're more than 2 meters high, 2.5 meters high, and usually I remove quite a few of them because they take up quite a lot of space when they flower, and they can sort of take over and smother some of the smaller plants that I have growing. But this year I didn't get around to it, and now they are almost flowering, and I cannot make myself cut them back because I think they are so beautiful and they are much loved by insects. But it feels very much like walking in a forest of teasels. Pretty lovely. And look at this bed. I love that one too. It has lots of flowers, like chicory and teasels, and this 8 o'clock flower. I don't know what you call it, but the yellow one. And lots of peaches this year on all of my peach trees. And then we are back again in the center of the garden. You can have a look at the Teasel forest here. I hope you enjoyed this runaway garden, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.